small group over here and a very
That's
easygoing,
I
informal
guess-
session over here. That really helped us to understand, interact freely over here rather than sitting in a classroom style setup, and sitting uptight, not
and
able
you're
to ask
sleepy.
questions. Yeah, it's been a very interactive session, easygoing. So I think also credit goes to you. I mean, a lot of it, obviously, the entire thing, to conduct it in a fashion the way you did. That also is very helpful. So I think that you should continue doing.
See, I started out using LinkedIn long back, but never knew that this much possibilities were there. So it's a great learning. In fact, we were too lazy to actually go in and explore everything. That somebody has pointed out this can lead to this impact. Definitely is worth it. I believe I'll be using it every day.
That's good. You have a vague idea, that's what I spoke, that
Yeah, sure.
It's going to be really helpful. That's what we know, that yes, in a B2B platform, it will be helpful.
Yeah.
But how and what are the ways to do it? Obviously, like nobody was there to guide us to get through the workshop, because I think for our organization, it will surely add value. So that's great.
So the reason, I guess personally the reason I've attended this workshop was that, again, knowing about the LinkedIn and plus how we can actually increase the sales. So that name, real estate, professional sales attracted me. I said, okay, fine, this could be the...
So it clicked for you?
It clicked. That was the reason it clicked. As you say, the wording really matters. So I have seen the example and that really clicked that, okay, fine, this is something I should put in me. Again, LinkedIn, something, when I started doing this job, so LinkedIn was a very good platform for me to know the person who I have to talk to. And when it says that real estate professional sales, okay, again, I said, I want to do that.
And then the idea of getting an external speaker and of course the activity over here as well. I think these are small inputs which make it very lively, and then yet you break the monotony of the session as well. So with no rules and regulations written on one side, you're free to come in, go, take your calls.
Sure.
Yeah,
in a way, you can
In the end, you feel that it was a
it's
positive.
been very helpful. Other than, of course, the entire platform itself, the very idea of coming here is to understand how we can explore this media. All of us know about it, but probably, I'm not sure, I can't speak for everybody else, but probably I in person or probably my company as well, we haven't been able to really, crack it down as such or get into it even halfway also for that matter. But I guess if we just take some cues from here, get going on this, I'm sure there would be success down the road.
Yes, I think it was very interesting because, more than anything else, what I liked was the fact that there was a lot of content building sort of feedback or sort of inputs that you gave, which were not just, sales sort of perspective, which was more of how to enhance your social presence.
Right.
I think that was very, very good.
Thank you.
But how LinkedIn helps sales teams? Usually B2B sales and B2C high value transactions. Is that correct? So essentially where your lead cost is high is where actually LinkedIn plays much better role. So let's get going. Alright, what is the bad news? See, the bad news is that it is overwhelming. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that you have to do in LinkedIn. Research, manage professional identity, help each other, look for opportunities. And there are so many features of LinkedIn, like give recommendations, manage profile, request recommendations. So it is hard work, it will take time. Have you guys encountered, have you faced this whenever you've tried to invest time into LinkedIn and felt that you've been overwhelmed by it?
It's too much information. Sometimes you look for something else, eventually you end up going on somewhere else and you forgot, okay, what was the
Kya tha? And you just click the close button, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So we understand, and that's the bad news actually, right? But so हम लोग यहाँ पे PhD करने तो नहीं आए ना LinkedIn में. So we have to see that how can it help us? That should be our motto. So we need a simple framework, okay, which can apply to our day-to-day job responsibility, so that we can use LinkedIn effectively. Is that clear? You guys know this step, right? आपने कभी अपना नाम गूगल किया? सब लोगों ने? What do you see?
LinkedIn profile.
Facebook page.
Facebook profile, start by Facebook, when it comes to LinkedIn.
Mine was too common, so I get like a lot of other things.
So
Before
हटके
I find you.
तो हम आपको भी हटके बना दें है ना?
My name is already Hatke, so it's only me who comes on it.
But do you get your LinkedIn profile
Yeah, I do.
and your Facebook profile?
Yes.
So how do you look? Like this? Okay, the point I'm trying to make is usually people who would search for you on the internet would be professionals. Called value in LinkedIn, Google gives its high rank. Okay. We have seen cases, जैसे IMI में I was doing a guest lecture. So this chap wasn't on LinkedIn. I said, why don't you just open an account? 5 minutes में Google indexed it. And he, उसके नाम पे I don't remember his name, but it was first result. Okay, so the indexation is so fast. So so the message essentially is that you better get your profile up in order because Google will throw it up if it is done well. Okay. So this is your exercise. Profile बनाना है अभी. Because I'll address some of the things that we discussed as to how you can showcase your project that you're selling on your profile so that it becomes visible. So I'll cover all of that step by step. Photos, is it a ladies thing or a gents thing? Only Babanjit had, and mostly ladies don't have photos. ऐसा क्यों है? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
No, I guess I don't know. I didn't put it.